Hello everyone. In this video I will try to make notice writing easy for you with the help of example. Here I will tell you about the format, okay, and the division of marks. So let's start. I have one question, that is, water supply will be suspended for 8 hours 10 am to 6 pm on 6th of March for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. You are Karan Kumar, Karuna Bajaj, Secretary, Janta Group Housing Society, Palam Vihar, Karnal. Okay. Now how you have to write? First of all, you have to mention name of the organization. Okay. So here who is issuing the notice? Janta Group Housing Society. After that you have to write NOTICE notice in capital letters. Okay. NOTICE all will be in capitals. Then you have to mention date. Okay, first of all name of the organization, then notice. Third step is writing date. You have to write date. Then you have to give title or heading to your notice. Proper heading should be given so that it can be clear to the readers that about what they are going to read. Then you can start like this. This is to inform all the residents that water supply will be suspended for 8 hours. Okay, it has been mentioned in the note in your question also. As it is, you can take from there. Then time you have to mention from 10 am to 6 pm, and date you have to mention on which date this will happen. So on 6th of March. And what is the purpose of this? For cleaning of the water tank. Okay, why the water supply will be suspended? For the cleaning of the water tank. All the residents are advised to store water for a day. The inconvenience caused is deeply regretted. Here you have to mention, you have to write each and everything what you want to tell to your readers. Okay, so in straightforward words you have to write each and everything. You need not to give your more details. Okay, just tell the main thing to the readers. Then at the end of the notice writing you have to mention name. Okay, then designation or address if you want to mention. So here name is Karan Kumar, so here I mentioned the signature Karan Kumar, then his designation and the address will be given of the organization, or if there is any specific mention then you can mention that also. Now let me tell about the division of marks. Okay, how will you get marks? For format you will get 1 mark. If your format is correct, format will include your first of all name of the organization, notice, date, heading, and then the your ending of the like mentioning name or your designation. For that you will get 1 mark. Then content, for content you will get 2 marks. Whatever you have written in the body of the notice, that will give you 2 marks. Then 1 mark is for expression. What is expression? Your grammar and your spelling mistakes. If you have made no spelling mistake or there is no grammatical mistake, then you will get full mark for the expressions. Okay, and you need not to exceed the word limit of 50 words. Okay, and the 50 words will be only counted only that you have written in the body of your notice. Whatever you have written here in the body of the notice will be counted as your word limit. Now let me tell you about the points. If there is any specific notice, like if you are writing any meeting notice, what you need to mention? You need to mention date and time. Okay, notice meeting ka hai, then you have to mention date and time, your venue, what is the agenda of meeting, what is the purpose of meeting, and who will attend the meeting, means whom you wanted to attend the meeting. Then you can give your contact address. Okay, on which address those people can contact you. Then if you want to give any specific instruction, so for the notice of meeting you have to mention date and time, venue where meeting will be held, what is the agenda of meeting, what is the purpose of meeting, who can attend the meeting. Okay, what is the address, you can give the address where they can contact, where they can uh, take or seek more information from you, and if any such specific information is there, instruction is there, you can also give in the meeting notice. Then, like if you are writing notice of tour and camps exhibition, then what you need to mention, first of all you have to mention name and nature, about what kind of it is tour or camp or exhibition, that you need to mention in the nature of what kind of event it is going to be. Then if you have given any specific name, you can mention that what is the occasion, why you are organizing that tour or camp. If there is any specific occasion, you can mention. Okay, venue, where exhibition is, camp is, and where you have to take the tour, so you will mention that also. Time, your date and time duration. Okay, like for how many days, if there is any tour, for how many days, camp for how many days, exhibition for how many hours. So you can give these information in your notice of tour, camp and exhibition. What is the objective? Okay, why you are doing this, what is objective behind organizing the tour, camp or exhibition, you can mention that also. Okay, if you have uh, any entry fee for exhibition, that you can mention. If for tour, if you have some like you want to take some charges, that you can mention. Okay, for camp also. And then you can give your contact address. Now if there is any event, okay, then you need to name that event, you have to mention name of that event. Okay, then date, on which date, occasion, what is the occasion of that organizing that event, and venue, where will you organize, what is the time for that. If there is any specific eligibility, who can participate in that, okay, you can mention that also. If you have any contact address, and if you want to give any specific instructions, you can mention all these in the notice of event. Now if you want to make some appeal, or you want to warn the people regarding something, as we have done right now, we did the notice writing to warn the people about the suspension of the water supply. So you have to mention the name of organizer. Okay, if there is any appeal, who is like organizing something, you can mention the name of the organizer. Objective, what is the objective of that, what is the purpose behind organizing, what is the occasion. Then you can mention the date and time duration of that. Place and venue. Okay, if you have any words of appeal. Okay, and your contact address and specific instructions if you want to give. Then is your notice of lost and found. You have to mention about the article which is lost, or you have found something, from where you found that, time you can mention, date you can mention. If there is any identification mark on that specific thing, you can mention that also. If there are some contents in that, like if you have lost the wallet, what are the contents in that wallet. If you have lost, or you found some book, okay, so if there is something inside that book, you can mention that. Whom to contact, okay, you can mention name of that any specific person, and where he or she should meet you, when and where. Okay, so this was all regarding the things you can mention in different kind of notices. If still you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box. Thank you.